Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn how you can create a direct downloadable link through the Google Drive. And with this scenario, I assume that you already have a Gmail account and you know the advantage of all these apps, including this Google Drive. To start with, let's upload the file. This is the file that you may need to upload. You can just drag and drop to where you want to upload the file. But unfortunately, because I've created this folder here, and this folder is the folder that I want all the files that I can upload and share to others will be downloadable. So I'll start by opening that public shared file folder. Then I will drag this file to that folder. Yes, just by dragging it that way, then your file is already uploaded to the Google Drive. Then let us zoom it again. Then from there, you can just right click to that file which you want to share the link which is downloadable. Just right click, then you'll see the option to share the file. You click that option. Then from the pop-up window, you may see that there is a restricted access. This is only for the people that you may allow them to access the file. Now we have to change that from restricted to anyone access. Just by doing that, we have created a public link. So you can copy that link. Then you go to the Google search. Then you search for Google Drive direct link generator. Then by searching that, the first site, you can use this first site of which I always trust these guys. Then you paste that link to this URL field. Once you paste it, then you can just click this yellow button, create direct link. Then it will automatically change this shared URL into the URL that can export and download the file. Now, once you just click inside this link, it will automatically copy the URL, and now it is ready for you to paste anywhere, either it is the site or you want to send it through email, and everywhere where you want people just to click a single link and download this file. I really appreciate the idea of these guys who have designed this website, because previous we used it to replace some of the file code here with this file manually. So this time you can just paste, then click the create link, then you have that link for you. We can test it just by pasting this to the URL, then you press enter. Then you will see how this link will automatically download the file. Now you have seen how it has downloaded the file. That is all you can do. It is very easy and straightforward. No energy, just a few clicks, then you are done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to add the comment below if you have any question related to this video. See you next time. Bye.